Good medical morning. This is Watson with your Poptastic Pimple Popping Week in Review. First, let's take a look at this splinter removal by Santanosaurus. Let's watch it again before we move on to something even more impressive. The foot is a weird place for a pimple. Somebody must have a bizarre infection. Here's a great ear pop from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. This one is titled Tiny Gold Mine of Popping. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And I know a lot of you don't like pimple images, but this ingrown hair is incredible. This might need to be the thumbnail. And here is an incredible shoulder pop from Tampa, Florida. And is this on a neck or a belly? I can't tell. We also covered a video about delusional parasitosis. That has to do with the itchy feeling you get when you see parasites. Comment below if these parasites make you squirm. And lastly, I'd like to thank Thynergy for helping me with my workouts and losing weight this winter. I take Thynergy every day to keep my energy level as high as possible, and it gets me going and keeps me moving. Let's hear some more.
I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who is losing weight with Thynergy. Keep up the great work, guys. You are all doing so awesome. Now, ways that I continue to stay healthy and be in shape is by always giving myself a minimum of 30 minutes each day to stay active. Whether it's just going up the stairs instead of using an elevator, whether it's going to the gym or doing something fun like ice skating, which I love to do, I always try to stay active. And I know sometimes it can be hard to keep yourself motivated to do that, but the ways that I keep motivated is by thinking to myself that if I am physically healthy, it also improves my mental health majorly. And also fun ways that I stay motivated is by doing different types of exercises, whether it's taking a Zumba class or a spin class. Also joining your family and friends with you is a great way to keep yourself encouraged to stay healthy. So have fun, everyone, and good luck!